Good evening, my little kids. Today is Tuesday, September 21st. Remember, you are going to write on your notebook the date of today. Recuerden que van a escribir en su cuaderno la fecha de el día de hoy. And I'm going to repeat the date. Today is Tuesday, September 21st. The quote of the day is learning one new things every day. Learning one new things every day. Todos los días aprendemos algo nuevo. Así que we did it. The topic of this week is COVID-19. And dentro del tema, we are going to learn imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? In the next slides, we are going to watch the concept and some examples about imperative sentence. The objective for this week is students will be able to create short sentence about COVID-19 by mentioning some biosecurity measures or coronavirus preventions. Okay, so let's start it. And the topic of this week you are going to think, ustedes van a pensar, ¿por qué la Miss está hablando de COVID-19? But it's important because in the next year we are going to start in las clases presenciales. So the concept, the definitions of COVID-19 is it's a disease by a virus which belongs to the family of coronavirus. This virus is the one that caused a pandemic in 2020. More people felt sick and more people died for this illness. So, mucha gente murió por esta enfermedad, está muriendo, así que debemos de tener las precauciones pertinentes para evitar esta enfermedad. Este concepto nos dice que el COVID-19 es una enfermedad por un virus que pertenece a la familia del coronavirus. Este virus es una de las causas que generó la pandemia en el año 2020, en el año 2020. So, some coronavirus prevention is, the number one is wash hands. If you see, we have water and a hand. That means that we are going to wash our hands. Eso significa que nosotros tenemos que lavar nuestras manos. The second one is keep this distance, mantener la distancia. This is the number 2. The number 3 is use soap. Usa jabón, ¿verdad? Como lavando nuestras manos. Number 3, esto fue when the pandemic started in 2020, esto fue cuando la pandemia empezó en el año 2020, que teníamos que stay at home, quedarnos en casa, stay at home, stay safety, estar a salvo. And then number 5 is use gel or hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. And the last one, there are many coronavirus prevention, but we are going to learn in this class 6 coronavirus preventions. Nosotros vamos a aprender 6 prevenciones para evitar el coronavirus. And the last one is wear mask. Wear mask. Repeat after me. Wash hands. Wash hands. Keep distance. Use soap. Use soap. Stay at home. Stay at home. Use gel or use hand sanitizer. And the last one, wear mask. Yes? Excellent job. So, we are going to learn imperative sentence. I know you know what is sentence. Sentence is a oración. Oración. Sentences is oraciones. sentence es oración, cuando nosotros formulamos una oración. Pero imperative sentence son oraciones imperativas. Ahorita les voy a leer the definition of imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a type of sentence that gives instructions or advices. Las oraciones imperativas son un tipo de oraciones que nos dan instrucciones o avisos, ¿sí? Recuerden, nos dan instrucciones o avisos. Por ejemplo, cuando la maestra nos dice, for example, when the teacher tells us, don't move, no te muevas, o be quiet, está callado. Esas son imperative sentences, son instrucciones o avisos que nos está dando la maestra. For example, with the topic of this week, some example of imperative sentence serían wear a mask all the time. Usa la mascarilla todo el tiempo. Esa es una imperative sentence porque le están dando una instrucción. Keep distance for your partner. Mantenga la distancia de su compañero. Ese es the second one. If you see two different examples of this topic using imperative sentence. I know this topic is a little bit difficult, but we are going to try to put in context. Recuerden que esos son dos ejemplos de oraciones imperativas. Wear mask all the time. Usa la mascarilla todo el tiempo. Keep distance from your partner. Mantén la distancia de tu compañero. So, if you remember, the next year we are going to have to back to the school. No podemos estar todos los años detrás de una computadora. Necesitamos share with our partners. Compartir con nuestros compañeros. So, how we are going to manage back to school with COVID-19? ¿Cómo vamos a manejar el regreso a clases con COVID-19? Si ustedes se fijan, using all the biosecurity measures, usando todas las medidas de bioseguridad. Si se fijan, these kids wear mask, keep the distance, and obviously use hand sanitizers. So, let's start it with some safety tips, consejos de seguridad. These tips help us to complete our worksheet. Estos tips que les vamos a dar, estos consejos de seguridad, les va a servir para formular las oraciones en su hoja de trabajo, en su worksheet that you are going to present the Friday. Okay, the number one, if you see in this slide, dice keep social distance. This is an imperative sentence. Keep social distance. Mantén la distancia social. Keep social distance. The number two, wear a mask. Usa una mascarilla. Wear a mask. Cuando volvamos a la escuela vamos a tener que manejar todos estos conceptos because we are going to improve el regreso a clases because we are going to nosotros vamos a tener que convivir con el COVID-19. Yes. The number three is wash your hand or use hand sanitizer or gel. Remember, use hand sanitizer or gel. Lavar nuestras manos es wash your hand frequently or usually. Use hand sanitizer frequently also. And the number four is don't touch your face. This is a new word, don't. ¿Qué es? Es algo para formular nuestra oración que dice no toques tu cara, porque si no has utilizado gel, tu cara puede contraer the COVID-19. Yes? So, and the last one, and the most important, don't, no, Don't share personal objects. No compartas objetos personales. Yes, this is the safety tips that we are going to put in practice when we back to school. Esos son los consejos de seguridad que vamos a poner en práctica cuando volvamos a la escuela. ¿Sí? I'm going to repeat it. Keep social distance, the number one. Wear a mask. Remember that you are going to repeat after me. Recuerden que tienen que repetir después de mí. Keep social distance. Wear a mask. Wash your hand. Use hand sanitizer or gel. Don't touch your face. And the last one, don't share personal objects. This is all for this week, and I hope you can learn a little bit and improve your knowledge about coronavirus or COVID-19. So remember that Friday is a deadline to present our homework. El día viernes es el último día para presentar nuestra tarea. If you have doubts, remember you can ask me through WhatsApp. Si tienen alguna duda, ustedes pueden preguntarme por WhatsApp. And remember, our homework is in a collage to present that Friday. Así que it's a pleasure for me give us this a little bit knowledge to you, and I hope you can enjoy this week. Bye bye, my little kids.